nobody saw me.
Was you? You were there tonight. Why can't you leave me alone?
I tried, Sarah Jane. You'll never know how hard I've tried.
Well, might as well pack. Look, baby, I suppose you've been to the boss. Lost me my job, my friends.
I've been no place. I didn't come to bother you.
Oh, you won't. Not ever again. Spoil things for me here and I'll just go somewhere else. And I'll keep on going until you're so tired.
Baby, I am tired. I'm as tired as I ever want to be. You mind if I sit down?
Yes, I do. Somebody's coming. That's why the door was unlocked.
I'll only stay a minute. I just want to look at you. That's why I came. Are you happy here, honey? Are you finding what you really want?
I'm somebody else. I'm white. White. White! Does that answer you?
I guess so.
Then please, Mama, will you go? And never do this again. And if by accident we should ever pass on the street, please don't recognize me.
I won't, Sarah Jane. I promise. I settled all that in my mind. There's just one thing I wish from you.
What?
If you're ever in trouble, if you ever need anything at all, if you ever want to come home and you shouldn't be able to get in touch with me, will you let Miss Laura know?
Yes. Yes, anything. Now, will you go?
That wasn't all I wanted, honey. That was only part of it.
What's the rest?
I'd like to hold you in my arms once more, like you were still my baby.
All right, Mama. All right.
Oh, Sarah Jane. Oh, my baby. My beautiful, beautiful baby. I love you so much. Nothing you ever do can stop that.
Oh, Mama. Mama. Mama.
Oh, my baby.
Come on, Linda, they're waiting. Say, listen, if you're the new maid, I want to report that my shower's full of ants.
Oh, I'm sorry, miss. That must be very uncomfortable. But I just happened to be in town and I dropped in to see Miss Linda. I used to take care of her. Well, I guess I'll be running along. My plane's leaving in a little while, Miss Linda. Goodbye, honey. You take good care of yourself. Goodbye.
Well, did you? So, honey child, you had a mammy.
Yes.